So here students have selected the number line. So they can drag it onto the display, make it a little bigger if they want. Here we want to set the minimum at 0, the maximum at 6, so we can see 5.9, and our interval by 1/10. That's the smallest interval we can use, so we can build our line. So here, you'll see that is one detriment to using this tool. You could not see the whole number line altogether. This just shrinks the space it takes, not unfortunately the number line, to see it all. So students using this tool might say, well, I want two decimal numbers that sum to 5.9. Well, they could use subtraction, or they could say, okay, well, if I go down a whole to here, so 1 whole subtracted off of 5.9 is 4.9. So my two numbers could be 4.9. Oops. Not sure why I'm not getting that. There we go. 4.9 plus 1 whole equals 5.9. And we know they don't need the whole written in there. Another possibility, they might set this to 5 and say, well, let's see, if I start with 5, how much would I need? Further, I would need 9/10. So 5 plus 9/10 equals 5.9. And then we hope they will write that as 5 plus 0.9 equals 5.9. Some students may write it like this, and that opens up a good discussion whether these are equivalent statements, in fact all three of them, or if we need to put the 0, or if we should put the 0, what value does this 0 as a placeholder add? Does it help our understanding? Is it necessary? Is it just good practice? Going back up here, I could say, well, I know, let's pick another number. So for example, let's pick 2. Well, from 2 to 3 is a whole. I'm going to move this off. And from 3 to 4 is another whole. So let's see. I should write my thinking down as I'm doing this. 2 plus a whole plus another whole gets me to 4. Plus another whole gets me to 5. I thought I could add that, but I can't now that I'm off there. So just want to clear that. So let's start that again. Two plus a whole plus another whole got me to 4, plus another whole got me to 5, plus I now know from this one here I need 9 more tenths plus 0.9. So this number line this virtual number line isn't the best because students have to hold decimal numbers in their heads. But it does allow for some manipulation, and possibly that is won't bother the students, some of the students. So here are some different combinations. Students could be invited to see if this combination is similar or different to anyone else's, and how I might write this differently. So could I make this 3 plus 2 plus 0.9, or 3 plus 2 and 9/10? Lots of variations possible again, and it's getting kids to see which ones are the same, which are different by talking to their other students in the class.